Shivi.
How are you feeling?
Good, nervous. I'm hoping for the best because I trust you.
Hi everyone, this is my client Barbie. Today I'm going to be creating a bridal makeup look for her. She needs a makeup look that is going to last very, very long because she's traveled 3 hours away and that's why she has to travel back. And she also has a very long event to attend. Barbie wanted a full face makeup with that full bridal look, but she wanted to keep her eyes very big and she also wanted softer colors for the lips. She didn't want her eye makeup to be too dramatic. She already had very nice skin, so it was very easy to work on her skin, and also to give her that very doll-like look. So I added a lot of blusher, which would add not just color to her face but also make her look like a doll. And then I just went in fixing it with an airbrush and just making sure that it becomes waterproof, and I just set it all with powder, making sure the powder is keeping the makeup intact and that it'll be a long lasting makeup. For the eyes, I started with an eye base, of course, and then highlighted the underbrows, which is a really important step in doing your eye makeup. And then using a slightly orange eyeshadow, I went in a rounded motion, making sure that the blend is really soft and looks like a transition. Even without using a transition shade, you can create a very similar effect. And then using a slightly burnt brown before I start adding some shimmer to the center of the lid. As you can see, it looks really highlighted and shimmery, and then I added glitter on top and finished it with a winged eyeliner. Now, because we've given her an eyeliner, I did not give her kajal. I gave her nude kajal because I want to make sure that her eyes look really big, and using liner and kajal sometimes can make the eyes look much smaller. Making sure her face looks glowy and also keeping the lip shade slightly softer. I use a little peach-ish orange and I think it was suiting her really well. It was also matching super well with the eye makeup, and making sure the lip shape is enhancing her lips, making her entire face look very complete, and setting it all with a fixing spray. She knew exactly how she wanted to look. She had brought her crown, she knew she wanted a veil, and this was her final look. So as you can see, I added the front eyeliner as well. I think she made a stunning bride and she looked very unique and different. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to our channel for many more such videos. As you can see, this is one type of bridal look, but there's so many other things you can do for each face, for each garment. And she made a beautiful bride who was very happy with her overall look, and I hope she has a very happily married life. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again very, very soon with new techniques and new looks, because we always want to create something interesting, something new every single time.